If you want to catch more fish, the right lure can make a big difference no matter whether you're fishing in a lake, river, or out at sea. But with so many shapes and styles out there, picking the right ones can get a little confusing. So in this video, I'll be going through the 9 best fishing lures. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, a full kit with everything you need, super realistic designs, or just a solid casting spoon, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the fishing lures mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 9 is the Booyah Pond Magic Spinner Bait. This is the most budget-friendly lure on our list. Its size is smaller than typical spinner baits, which makes it perfect for matching the hatch in those tight spaces. Another feature I like about this bait is its hand-selected color and blade combos specifically chosen to mimic the forage fish you'd find in smaller ponds. That means it's not just about flash, it's about looking natural enough to fool picky fish in those quiet waters. It also features a 60-strand ultra-fine silicone skirt that moves softly in the water, giving off lifelike vibrations and action. And the hook is a Mustad Ultra Point, known for sharpness and durability. So when a base strikes, the hook set is solid. Overall, if you are looking for a budget-friendly fishing lure, this one is the best option for you. Number 8 is the Plusinno 3-0 2-piece set. This is the best all-in-one starter kit on our list. If you're new to fishing or want a comprehensive tackle box that covers just about every situation, this 302-piece set is best for you. It includes an impressive variety of lures and accessories like poppers, pencils, minnows, crankbaits, spinnerbaits, soft worms, frogs, jigs, hooks, weights, swivels, and almost everything you need while fishing. Another thing I like about this kit is how it fits into a compact, double-layer tackle box that's easy to carry and keeps everything organized. The size makes it perfect to toss in a backpack or keep at your fishing seat for quick access. All the lures in this kit have detailed finishes, 3D eyes, and realistic patterns designed to fool fish in both freshwater and saltwater environments. The materials are made to resist corrosion with stainless steel and tough plastics, so they'll last longer even with regular use. Unlike buying individual lures, this set saves you time and guesswork. No matter if you're chasing bass trout or panfish, you can experiment with different types and find what works without extra shopping trips. Overall, if you need an all-in-one kit to tackle different kinds of fish and water types, this one is a solid choice. Number 7 is the Rapala X-Rap XR10. This is the best jerkbait for game fish on our list. It's built for anglers who want to control the action of their lure with precision. It's famous for its slash bait action, which lets you fish aggressively with sharp twitches that provoke explosive strikes from game fish. Its design features a translucent, textured body with an internal holographic foil that catches light like a real bait fish. That kind of realism makes it especially effective in clear water where fish can get picky. Another great feature of this lure is that it suspends on pause. When you stop retrieving, it stays in place instead of sinking or floating away. This helps mimic injured bait fish and can trigger more strikes during slow presentations. It's also made with stainless steel through-wire construction for durability and comes with premium VMC black nickel hooks that are hand-tuned for the best action out of the box, and it offers a balance between long casting ability and lifelike movement with its internal long cast system. That makes it easier to reach fish that are further out without sacrificing realistic swimming. Overall, if you want a jerk bait that lets you control the pace and action while still looking convincing enough to fool game fish, this one is the best pick for you. Number 6 is the Truscend Swimmax. This is the most realistic swim bait on our list. It's built with 6 flexible segments that give it an incredibly lifelike swimming motion. When you reel it in, it doesn't just wiggle, it swims naturally, making it irresistible to predator fish. It's available in a small 2-inch size, which might seem tiny but actually helps with finesse fishing, especially in clear or pressured waters. The pearl powder coating and 3D realistic eyes add extra realism that tricks fish into thinking it's real bait. Another great feature is the built-in rattle inside the body. As it moves through the water, it emits vibrations and sound waves that attract fish by stimulating their lateral lines, which is a big deal for catching bass, walleye, trout, and more. This lure works in both freshwater and saltwater and can be fished at different depths, depending on your retrieve speed. Plus, the hooks are ultra-sharp and corrosion-resistant, adding reliability for repeated strikes without losing that crucial hook set. When compared to traditional soft swim baits, the multi-jointed design really sets this one apart, as it offers smoother movement, especially when fish get cautious. Overall, if you want a realistic swim bait that can mimic real prey, this one is a solid choice for you. Number 5 is the Rebel Pop R. This is the best topwater popper on our list. It's famous for its distinct spitting, popping, and chugging sounds that provoke explosive strikes from bass and other game fish. Another thing I like about this lure is the dressed rear treble hook, which features light-attracting glitter strands that add extra flash and help draw fish in from a distance. The lure can be worked quickly across the surface, mimicking a panicked bait fish, or slowly twitched to look like a struggling meal. This offers a lot of versatility for different fishing conditions and fish moods. As Brian wrote, Rebel Pop R is one of the absolute very best topwater lures. Any time of day, any weather conditions, any type of water conditions, regardless of the environment, Rebel Pop Rs perform all year long. Its profile and action have won countless tournaments, so it remains the go-to topwater lure for many anglers because it creates some of the most exciting strikes you'll ever see on the water. Plus, its dual-action sounds and proven design have rarely been matched. Many try to copy it, but no one quite nails it. Overall, if you want a lure that delivers thrilling surface strikes with a classic pop and chug action, this one is the best topwater popper to consider. And if you want to know the latest prices of the fishing lures discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. That way, I earn a small commission while the price stays the same for you, which is a nice way to support us in making more of these videos. Number 4 is the Berkley Gulp, a live swimming mullet. This is the best saltwater soft bait on our list. It's designed to replace live bait with a highly realistic alternative that's easy to use and effective in saltwater fishing. Its detailed head and body design combined with a high-action swimming tail make it look alive in the water. One of the best things about this bait is the scent dispersion, which expands the lure's strike zone by releasing attractants into the water and pulls fish toward it even if they can't see the bait clearly. It's perfect for species like tarpon, snook, trout, redfish, and black drum, covering a wide range of saltwater targets. Another great feature is its simplicity. You just cast it out and reel it back in with either a steady or erratic retrieve, depending on the fish you're targeting. This makes it beginner-friendly but also useful for experienced anglers looking for a versatile soft bait. Now, one downside is that it's not great for weedless rigging since the exposed hook can snag in grass or debris. Also, the soft plastic has become more fragile over time, so it might tear after a few strikes. However, for those fishing in open water or less snaggy environments, it offers a convenient, effective way to cover lots of water quickly and attract saltwater fish with realistic action and scent. Number 3 is the Acme Kastmaster. This is the best casting spoon on our list. It's known for its exceptional casting distance and wild action that catches fish without twisting your line. Its aerodynamic shape allows it to fly through the air farther than most spoons, which makes it great for reaching those hard-to-get spots. Now, it's precision machined from solid brass, so it won't break, bend, or corrode even after lots of saltwater exposure. That durability means it keeps its shine and flash for repeated trips. You can have it in various sizes and weights, ranging from light models perfect for trout and panfish to heavy versions made for big game like stripers and salmon. It comes with a split ring and a treble hook, which are strong enough to hook and hold even the feistiest fish. And the balance of this bait creates a tight wobble in the water that's hard for fish to resist. When compared to plastic lures, this metal spoon stands out because of how well it reflects light and creates vibrations. So it's a great option for anglers who want tried and true reliability across freshwater and saltwater. Overall, if you want a lure that combines long casts, a durable build, and consistent action, this one is the best pick for you. Number 2 is the Booyah Pad Crasher Frog. This is the best weedless topwater lure on our list. It's designed to handle thick weeds and slope while staying 100% weedless, which is a big deal when you're fishing heavy cover where bass love to hide. And its hollow body construction is firm enough to stay weedless, but still soft enough to give a solid hook set when a bass strikes. This balance lets you throw it through thick mats without getting hung up, but still sets the hook well. It mimics a frog, which is a natural prey for topwater bass feeders, and features spinnerbait-style legs that add extra flash and vibration to attract fish. Plus, this lure comes with a super strong double hook that improves hooking chances without sacrificing weedless performance. When compared to other lures on the list, its design lets you fish with confidence in the thickest vegetation, where others might get stuck or lose fish because the hooks aren't set properly. Overall, if you are looking for a weedless lure that could provoke aggressive topwater strikes without constant snags, this one is the top pick for you. Number 1 is the Yamamoto Senko worm. This is the best overall fishing lure on our list. It's a soft plastic bait known for its simplicity, versatility, and unmatched ability to catch fish across many conditions. Another great feature is its soft, yet durable formula combined with a simple stick bait shape that you can fish weightless, wacky style, Texas rigged, Carolina rigged, or on a shaky head or flipping jig. There's almost no wrong way to use it. Plus, its slow, subtle action in the water triggers bites from bass and many other species, even when fish are pressured or inactive. Overall, if you want one lure to cover almost any bass fishing scenario, this one is the overall best option to buy on our list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect fishing lure for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find a fishing lure you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.